Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Business Central Musings. Today's topic is a new increment string parameter to change integers by more than one in string variables. So this is coming in Business Central 2025, Wave 1, and for many years, inc string, we would be able to just increment the string by one. So SO001 increment string for SO001 would be SO002. Um, but with this new uh, overloaded method of ink string for ink string, we can increment a string by more than one, by 5, by 10, and we're going to see a few examples. Let's just have a look at uh, one program I prepared, one page. So I extended customer list and I created a function generate and display, which I'm calling it with different parameters. The first parameter is a string that contains a numeric. The next one is how much is the gap between the strings, and in this case is 10, and how many I'm going to generate. So I can generate lot 011, 001, 011, 021, 031, 41, and that's gonna give me 5 numbers. And we also would I try to generate those 5 lot numbers with a negative increment -10, and we'll see what that causes. And I try to do the same, but with a string that has no numeric value, and the same as in this case. And I tried also with one that has only numeric value and see if there is any difference. Generate and display calls another function with base load, batch size, number of batches, and lot numbers being a list of codes. So base load is lot 001 initially for the first call. Batch size, we want to create 5 numbers, and number of batches is batch size is 10, and number of batches is 5. And if we look at the function, we notice the fact that this function is a try function because we are not really sure. I mean, if you don't do it with try function, you'll see that you get an error and your whole program stops. So current load is base load, so first parameter. Batch size is how many lots do we want in that batch. So for lot 001, we want the batch size to be 10, and we will create 5 batches. Let's go to BC now and see if we refresh this function or this page, we should see all 5. So first time we sent 001, 10, and 5. We've got 001. This is the 5 batches, 011, 021, 031, and 041. The next one gives us an error, and that's because 032 minus 10 is 022, minus 10 is 012, minus 10 is 002, and the last one, minus 10, is going to give us a negative number, and hence we've got here the error message from the platform. The next one is lot with no numerical value. So first time we try to decrement by 10 or increment by 10, our string will be truncated, trimmed, so will show nothing. And the subsequent calls of increment string will show also nothing. The next one, we send nothing, which is here, and we get nothing. And the last call for 001, so if this thing has only numeric values, we won't get any error and we get what we expect. So this is it, increment string and the new overloaded method for that comes with Runtime 15. I hope it helps, and subscribe, and you stay in the loop this way. and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.